and to address the young engineers on this occasion of graduation day ceremony. I am extremely delighted to be amongst you all on this momentous occasion. This day marks a significant milestone in your journey. I extend my heartiest congratulations to all who have been awarded degrees, graduating students, faculty members, and staff for securing this milestone development for their institute. Dear graduates, you owe your success, of course, to your diligence, to your hard work, but principally to your teachers, your parents, and your well-wishers. I know today that your parents are more proud than you, because whatever the effort that they put for to bring you to this stage from the age of 1, from the age of 0 to this stage. So today that's why the parents here are proud parents. Dear graduates, your parents, you earned your degrees, but that does not mean there has to be a quietness to learning or knowledge acquiring. You have to carefully cultivate this knowledge to harvest wisdom. This moment marks a stepping stone for your entry into a wider world, a world that is filled with endless possibilities, opportunities, and challenges. You will embark upon a new voyage and venture out into an industry that is unlike a decade ago. The scene a decade ago was very different. With this degree, you would not know where to go, but now the situation is very different situation. The scenario is full of hopes and possibilities. Now you will be equipped with new set of skill along with your curriculum, which will keep you always as industry ready. With this statement, I want to say one thing to my young graduates. Whatever you have learned so far, that is not the end of your engineering career. You all know that today the technology being changing every now and then, and the patent are being filed, one patent being filed in every minute across the world. You can imagine what way the technology is going to change. In this changing technology scenario, the days have gone that if I would become once we have completed our Bachelor of Engineering, we never used to open our books if we go to industry. Today it is not like that. You need to reskill, upskill, keep on learning the things if you want to outstand in your career after becoming a graduate. You want to excel in your career as an engineer in any of the concern where you go. Your graduation, definitely VTU has opened its door by creating a platform to acquire the certification courses through many well-established companies, whether it is on a hardware or a software or a manufacturing industry. We have signed an MOU with L&T, TCS, Infosys, and many more, Coursera, many more companies, listless companies. They have all started offering courses, certification courses through our platform. Only you need to go to our platform and choose the course. There is no force on anybody. You choose the course from TCS, or you choose the course from Infosys, or you choose the courses from X company. When we have signed an MOU, I have clearly mentioned to the companies that You put a one page of synopsis that if a student chooses a particular certification courses, what is used for the student? Which are all the companies where they can be placed? What else is required? And those certification courses, it will be offered at a very cheap per cost. Compare if you want to do individually going to elsewhere. We have created our own online platform to acquire a higher degree or higher education. I have created a lot of opportunities for the young graduates to learn more and more. If you want to complete an MCA, if you want to go for an MBA, if you are working already, we have created an online platform, online degree. This is the first university in the country to offer among the public universities, public technical universities. Ours is the first technical public university to offer online courses in the country. And it is approved by AICT and facilitated by UGC. You can acquire those degrees at a very cheaper cost. There are many provisions are being made by the UGC that you can always acquire a dual degree program under dual degree program. If you are a graduate, if you are a student studying the Bachelor of Engineering, you can do BBA or BCA through our online degree program. You can do simultaneously 2 degrees at a time. This is the greatest opportunity for you. Today there is no dearth for learning. There is no dearth for contents. Contents are available. Only it is the hard work of yours can fetch a result if you want to achieve. You have to fix the goals or a target, what you want to be. When you fix the target and goal, and if you start dreaming in the night that I fixed a target or the goal, I will reach it as it is not possible. You have to work hard to reach the target or the goal. There will be so many obstacles that you have already might have faced while to achieve what you are today. But in the future also, you must overcome all those obstacles and goals. Recently, I met one student, students are in second year, third year, fourth year. If you have an innovative idea, you can establish a startup at that point itself. We are going to provide completely all the facilities free of cost. We will claim only 1% as an investment, as something from you after if your product gets succeeded or if your invention gets succeeded in the market. These are all some of the major changes that I have brought in VTU. As I want to see that our graduates should not go without a job or searching for job in the market. I know one thing, all the students cannot, but those who have got ideas, invention in their mind, definitely there is an opportunity for you to become an entrepreneur or you can establish a startups. Not only that, to make our graduates industry ready, we have started a program called Honors and Minors, where you need to acquire additional 18 credits, either to become a minor, a major and minor degree and honors degree. That is only through online. Again, I have signed an MOU with companies to offer the content. The content will be completely by the industry. If the student wishes to learn something other than the subjects what has been taught in the college, if you want to get exposed to what the industry needs to make our graduates industry ready, I have already established the portals. There are 10,000 registrations already for honors and minor degree. What is the honors degree? If the students should have scored 7.5 CGPA in first, second, third, and fourth, he is eligible to register for online honors degree. And again, for minor, if the students should have scored 5 CGPA, he is eligible for minor degree. That means if your degree is in computer science, BE computer science, you can go for a mechanical. BE mechanical, then you will get major degree as the computer science and minor degree as the mechanical engineering. These are all the facilities that has been done in the last 1.5 years to make our graduates industry ready. If you have a will, and for anything I will tell you one thing, that all this you can achieve only by hard work. There is no.
Because this is the wonderful college. हर किसी को मुकम्मल जहां नहीं मिलता, किसी को जमी नहीं मिलती, किसी को आसमान नहीं मिलता. But this is the college where you get both जमी as well as आसमान. And there is another very good share. मैं जिंदगी भर अपना आईना साफ करता रहा, घर चेहरे पे थी, वो देखा ही नहीं. So I hope all of you will continue to learn. Learning never ends. It goes on till the last breath of life. I'm still learning. I'll be 80 on 7th October. Was born on 7th October 44. 24 is coming. And I think I'm the only person who has been all the four. Chairman BOG, Director NIT Nagpur, Director IIT Delhi, and Vice Chancellor IIT Bangalore. I hope some of you will surpass it. Records are meant to be broken. And after the Tendulkar and Gavaskar and Dhoni has spoken, that is, I'm referring to the Vice Chancellor, I have hardly anything to say. I am a, 8th or 9th order in IPL is going on. So I'm talking in terms of cricket. So I'm really thankful to Fakhruddin sir, and then Vidyashankar sir has left, of course. He has a very important assignment. Then Dr. Ahmed Sharif Siraj, and then Chief Mr. Umar Ismail Khan, Dr. Saifullah Khan. All these people have taken a lot of trouble in organizing this function. So I thank all of them, and I'm sure such functions will continue in future also, and I'm sure I will come, if not on a wheelchair, maybe on stretcher, but I will definitely like to come and attend the function of this university. And I want this college to become a university. This is the college which I have seen visiting throughout the world. I never seen such a dynamic people, hardworking, very intelligent, and today is the graduation day, which is a convocation. It's a very important day when the students will get converted into alumni from tomorrow onwards. And don't think this is the last day of their meeting. There will be reunions. There will be silver jubilee when they will come with their husbands or wives. Then there will be golden jubilee when they will come with their grandson and granddaughters. And God knows how many more, platinum jubilee, etc., etc. And you will always be the extended family members of this particular college. And do be in touch. And according to IIT culture, we give the permanent email ID to them for their life. See, every college cannot be in IIT, but nobody stops them to follow IIT culture, as the Honorable Vice Chancellor just left told. I'm talking to the future students who are maybe not be here, but this message can be conveyed to them by their respective teachers. Another message is, please do publish a paper in Student Journal of IE India, Kolkata. Because once you have a paper, job will be easy. Oh, any person will come for job interview. Oh, you already published a paper. Very good. Then secondly, you should have an incubation center. Maybe you are already having. So that will help you in startups and those things, as our Honorable Prime Minister said. Because jobs are a problem, as the Honorable Vice Chancellor said, you should be job creator rather than job seeker. And I'm sure you will do that. Anyway, I can go on and on. Another thing I want to say is all teachers should have 1 hour chamber consultation hour as our IT system. So that in that hour they are present in their chambers and the students can go and ask any difficulty if they have. Second thing is practice school. One can learn from BITS Pilani practice school. No IIT, no NIT is following it. That you can only have when you become an autonomous institution or university. That is 1 semester in industry. So that when you pass one, you can follow the website of the BITS Pilani, see what they are doing. BITS Pilani is there in Hyderabad and Goa and Dubai also. So if you can follow that, as and when you are entitled to do that, that will give you an industrial experience. And if you impress your industry people, job is there to take for you. I think I don't want to continue forever. Sir, abroad, because all of us have daughters and sons. With Indian salary, you can't marry them.
Governmental schemes. About 2,500 candidates, including SSLC dropouts and others, have been trained in this center so far. He established associated colleges, thus encouraging startups by students of VTU and its associate colleges. MA to study the courses of foreign universities along with VTU curriculum and the curriculum of BE program for 2022 batch students by introducing in the span of 1.5 years. Our Honorable Vice Chancellor brought numerous reforms in the university. After the welcome speech, our beloved principal will take up the award ceremony event. Dr. Ahmad Sharif Siraj sir, he is the Amina Trust, a businessman by profession, a dynamic leader, an educationist, social of founder of this college, Janab Haji Nabi Sharif Sahib. A warm welcome to you, sir. I request our beloved principal to present bouquet.
To create such opportunities for you and has also established center of fields. Even now,
Temple, whichever is your faith, all are same. All roads lead to the road. You know. So whatever your faith is there, you pray for 5 minutes. So morning walk they will keep you perfect, and you won't be like me then, and you will be like very healthy person, wealthy. I know 12 languages. At least you should know 5. Your mother tongue, English, Hindi, and French, and Arabia, Dubai, Muscat, Malaysia. Anyway, give good education to your children, marry them well, and that will help long. I think with these words, I would like to thank the organizers once again for inviting. Again, once again, I thank you and congratulate the new graduate. Not the end, it's the beginning of the beginning. And please continue learning till the last breath of life. Thank you.
I being background of electrical and electric textbooks in various subjects. Thank you for being here, sir. Now it's not every day that the student gets graduated. So by not wasting Faizan Ahmad Khan, followed by a request graduates of mechanical जीवन यानी इस तरह के मोहम्मद इनामुल अजहर मोहम्मद शाहनवाज रहमान मोहम्मद तनवीर आलम मोहम्मद यासिर हयात
ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕನ ನನಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫೋನ್ ಆಸಿಂದು ನೀನು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ತೆಗೀನಿದ್ರೆ ಜೀವನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
Students those who have received certificates, I request them to please get back to your seats. Graduates those who have received certificates. Thank you, sir. Now I request. Thank you, sir. MTech followed by Department of Triple E. Followed by Department of Triple E. I request graduates of Triple E department to please make a queue. By the seats back. You can have photo session later. Thank you, sir. Now I request Janab Umar Ismail Khan Sahab to hand over the certificates for Department of Triple E graduates. Form a queue, followed by Electrical Department. I request graduates of Electronics Department to form a queue, followed by electrical students. I request students of electronics department to please form a queue, followed by electrical students.
Okay.
Requested to please occupy the seats back for the proceedings. I request the graduates, those who have received the certificates, to please occupy the seats back. Thank you, sir. Now,
Hello. Next. Hello. ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಲೋ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಫೋಟೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
I request the students those who have received certificates to please occupy your seats back.
ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಲೋ ಹಾಂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಹಲೋ ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಹಾಂ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಹಲೋ Next. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಜಾಗ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ಡ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರ್ತೀರ ಬನ್ನಿ ಈಗ ಬಂತು ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ ಹಾಗೆ ರೆಡಿ 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 ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಹಿಂಸೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಳ್ರಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಮಾತಾಡ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ
I request graduates who have received certificates to please occupy the seats back. Photo session can be held later on. I request students of NTech Computer Science Department to please form a queue followed by BE Computer Science students.
ಹಲೋ ಸರ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹಲೋ 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 ಹಾಂ
Students of Computer Science Department to please form a queue.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
Students, those who have received your certificates, please be seated. Get
ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹಲೋ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ರೆಡಿ ಹಲೋ ಸರ್ ಹಲೋ ಹಲೋ ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಓಕೆ ನೋಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಓಕೆ
I request students to please occupy their seats back in order to proceed the function.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋಟೋ ನಿಮಿಷ ಇರಿ, ಇನ್ನು ಬರ್ತಾವ.
Go!